Good evening to those who listen. It's March 12th, 2024, 11:56 p.m. It's almost the 13th. All right, so this is crazy. So when I was watching this video here, or actually the other video, you know how there's suggestions on the side? Well, this video over here, my Niges view on things, was there. So I was looking into it and wow. It's like, what is going on? So let's take a look at it. This was from August 8th, 2017 from the Alaska FAA webcams. This one was from Misty Forged. But again, South View, August 8th, 2017. Does anybody remember what happened right after that? August 21st, 2017 was the eclipse. Wow. Oh man, it's amazing. I don't know. All I can say is this has to be God. I mean, what's the odds of this? Once you see the whole connection, what's the odds? Okay, so this is also, about the same time as the today. Same time of the day when it was appeared. All right, so here we go. I'll even let the narration from Niges' view on things take it away. This is from 6.5 years ago. Wow. Is it working? What's going on?
Niges view on things. How you doing? How you keeping? Hope everybody's safe and sound where you are. Misty Ford South, 196 degrees. Date on the video is Tuesday, 8th of August, 2017, 10:34. We're looking at the FAA Alaskan cams yet again, and they're producing some outstanding images. Some things need to be shown.
So this is 1:30 in the afternoon where I'm at.
At least click through,
but it doesn't show up yet.
And have a look at what we're getting. We got this shaft of light, and this says to me that this is running through a lensing system. Every time I see this, we get a diffusion of light,
lensing system, hiding everything.
You might like to argue about that, but that's your entitlement. We got this milky, sort of cloudy thing that appears and gets brighter and brighter. This is part of the lensing system being reflected actually onto the.
I'm going to move forward just a little bit.
Shortly. And then we get
then
this.
It appears now.
Now, if we could see
notice
this
notice a couple things here first. Let's pause it. We're at 20 UTC 12 p.m. 12:08 p.m. Alaska time, which would have been 3:08 p.m. my time, and 3:10 I believe was the first video I took today of the halo. Now, it could have been there before. I don't know. And I don't know how long it stayed. But I know it was a good 2 hours at least. And it could have been a lot longer. All right. Second thing to notice is this the same exact thing? Planet-like object? Is it the same one that we saw today? Now, I'm going to compare the two. This is crazy. All right. Now, another thing to notice also is it is smaller. It is smaller. Now watch the size difference between the two. Also notice too that clouds are in front of it too, so it cannot be a lens flare. Wow. And it's got the same kind of features on it. Let's go through it a little bit.
Yeah, people will be taking videos.
It also
this
rotates.
Is not a lens flare. This is actually a projected image, and you can see
it's got those bolt-like things on there
and
too.
It always seems to be in the same place every time you find it, about there. But
also notice when we seen it on today's, it was closer to the sun at this time, so it might not be in exactly the same spot 6.5 years ago than it is right now.
And it is the best image that I've seen. I've caught this many times in my videos. And yeah, it is spitting. I just needed to get it out there and show you. This is not a object that we can see. This is an object that's being put through a lensing system to hide it, and somebody made a error of judgment, possibly on our favour.
So he thinks that at this point somebody messed up and didn't hide the image of this object. I'm not going to say it's a planet, but planet-like object. So they were like hiding it. What if that's what's going on every single day? Or every single time, maybe I should just say every single time we see a halo, maybe they're hiding it. I mean, it could just be an everyday. But what is if at least on the halo days, you know, maybe this planet or other objects are passing through this area, so they have to hide it through the lensing system. I don't know how they're doing it. Maybe they're sending more light through it. I don't know what they're doing, but a way for them to hide what's actually there that we can't see. Now you might say, well, how could man make something that sophisticated to be able to do it, along with the sun simulator too? I don't think it's man. I think it's the fallen angels. I think it's way more beyond advanced technology than man could do. At least it could be man's helping, but I think it's the intelligence, technology of the fallen angels. All right, so keep going real fast. I don't want to make this long.
To let us know because they knew exactly what.
But see, the sun's still not in the.
See, the clouds are very, very red, and this object is spinning.
This would have been 2:30 in the afternoon, their time.
It's just one of those things that needs.
And it's not near the sun yet. A lot smaller. Look at chemtrail goes in front of it. And then there's
and
clouds.
There you go. It's time to.
Okay. Was there anything else that I needed to say in this video that he didn't say? All right, let's go to the other one. Now let's compare that to today's 6.5 years ago, and now we're comparing today. Here we go again. There's no audio to this anyway, so we'll just let it play again. Now remember the size of the planet-like object in the sky. This looks way bigger. So if, you know, this planet or planets, say Planet X system, is getting closer to Earth, it would show up bigger. Oh my goodness. Wait just a minute. Hold on there. Hold on there. I just saw something through this. I don't remember seeing it before, but right there. I don't know if you can see it very well. Let me turn the brightness down. In the center of the object, there's something. Remember that day when I had that weird cloud and there was like a cloud inside of a cloud? Maybe they were hiding it. I don't know, it's just weird. It does help to put the brightness down to see it better though. So let's do it. So that's closer to the sun also, if you notice. So what if it's getting closer to the sun and eventually, in a month from now, it's going to really eclipse the sun? Maybe it eclipses the sun barely every day or every so often. I don't know. Throwing it out there. But isn't that weird? Is it a coincidence that all that happened? Or is this maybe God, you know, showing us that there's something here? That there was something with the halo. I had a weird feeling about today, that halo today. And then all those people, I think I put it on the other video. There's 5 different states, at least that I saw on channels today, that had the halo. So maybe this thing was close enough to it that they had to manipulate it so we couldn't see it. Just saying. Throwing it out there. Crazy. But I don't know. That's it. Let me know what you think. I just think that's crazy. Right after I did the other video, boom, I saw that. Wow. Remember, pray for Holy Spirit discernment in all things, including this. Please pray on it. Thanks for watching. God bless.